Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Figma design. Let's create infographic design on 8 UX laws using Shape Builder, online vector graphic editor and prototyping tool. Draw circle 800 by 800 and inner 200 by 200 dimensions using ellipse, remove fill and use stroke. Draw separator bars to divide 8 different parts using rectangle, as shown in the scene. Select Object and go to Shape Builder. Press shortcut key equals M. Click on Object Create Shapes. To deselect, press Alt plus click. Select Object, right-click, Split Vector. Select Object, go to Fill. Apply color, gradients, and noise effects. Adding header numbers and 8 UX laws title. One, Hick's law. The more choices a user has, the longer they will take to decide. Two, Fitt's law. The time to reach a target depends on its size and distance. 3. Jacob's Law. Users spend most of their time on other sites. This means that users prefer your site to work the same way as all the other sites they already know. Four. Law of proximity. Objects near each other are perceived as related. Five. Law of similarity. User group similar-looking elements as part of the same function. Six. Miller's Law. The average person can only hold 7 plus 2 items in their working memory. Seven. Tesler's Law. Every system has a certain complexity it can't be removed, only shifted. Eight. Peak end rule. People judge an experience largely based on how they felt at its peak and at its end. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.